Drive Vibroflotation stone columns for landslide remediation. Landslide refers to the phenomenon where loose rock masses or soil masses with low shear strength and weathering resistance slide down slopes along weak plains either integrally or dispersedly under the action of gravity, rainfall, groundwater, or seismic events. According to current codes and engineering practices, drive Vibroflotation stone columns are applicable to landslides occurring on slopes with an angle not exceeding 30. Drive Vibroflotation stone columns can accelerate the drainage and consolidation of soil, stabilize matrix section, effectively eliminate soil liquefaction, modify the position of sliding surfaces, provide lateral resistance, enhance the shear strength of composite foundations, and maintain the stability of slope foundations. Drive Vibroflotation stone columns are constructed using a Vibroflot mounted on an excavator with high-pressure air as an auxiliary medium. By leveraging the mobility and flexibility of the excavator, equipment relocation time is significantly reduced, construction continuity is enhanced, and the overall construction period is shortened. The entire construction process is water-free and slurry-free, featuring water conservation, high efficiency, and low environmental pollution. It is an eco-friendly, safe, and reliable construction method. After remediation, stone columns and the surrounding soil form a composite foundation. The bearing capacity of this composite foundation and the anti-sliding capacity of the soil are significantly enhanced. The factor of safety for slope stability nearly doubles, and the permeability coefficient increases to 3 to 5 times the original value, rendering the landslide stable.